If you're planning to get married in California, the first step is applying for a marriage license. Both of you will need to go together, in person, to the county clerk's office. You don't have to be a U.S. citizen or even a California resident to apply. Each of you will need to bring a valid government-issued photo ID. This could be a driver's license, passport, consular card, military ID, or permanent resident card. The important thing is that it clearly proves your identity and age. You also need to be currently unmarried. If you were married before or in a registered domestic partnership, you'll need to provide the exact date and the way that relationship ended, such as divorce, annulment, or the passing of your spouse. If the separation happened within the past 90 days, you'll also need to show proof of the court order. For couples under 18, you must bring a certified copy of a court order that gives you permission to marry. Even if you're legally emancipated, this requirement still applies. Now, when applying, you'll have two types of licenses to choose from. The first is a public license, which costs about $100. This license becomes a public record, meaning certified copies are available to authorized people, and at least one witness is required at your ceremony. The other option is a confidential license, which costs a little more. For this, both of you need to be at least 18 and already living together as spouses. With a confidential license, no witness is needed at the ceremony, and the record is not public. Only you two or a court can request a copy later. Once you've decided on the license type and submitted your documents, the clerk's office will process your application and you'll walk out with your marriage license the same day. Keep in mind, the license doesn't mean you're officially married yet. You'll still need to hold the ceremony and have the license signed by your officiant and, if required, your witness. That is it.